Sound right, boys.
welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie, and as you can see, I have finished my hair. Today is a new day, showing you guys like 2 days later the results and how my hair came out. I'm very happy about the way it came out. However, I'm not crazy about the deep wave. I prefer to go with the ocean wave because I'm noticing that this hair frizzed up a lot. I did want to go in a different color. I have the color 4. I haven't worn the color 4 since last summer. It brings out my skin complexion and brings out my eyes. And I just wanted to go for something different because I typically go for a color 2 because that's my natural hair color. But I just wanted to lighten it up for the springtime. So with this hair, I felt like I was in need of a style. I have these bangs going on. It's really cute. So the installation process took about 45 minutes and I was impressed. But you know, when you have pre-looped hair, it's typically quicker anyway. So that's why I prefer to go for the pre-looped kind of crochet extensions. So over time, to maintain this hair, you might want to cut off the frizz. You might want to add some kind of mousse to the hair. Something just to keep the frizz down. This hair is very lightweight, very full. So this is 4 packs. I got a lot of hair out of 4 packs. 4 packs will be perfect most likely for you as well. And if you feel like you want to go for a bigger look, then add, you know, 1 more pack. So 5 would be perfect if you want to go for a fuller look than what I have. I'm not sure about getting this hair wet. I'm not sure how it will react, but I feel like it could be a good travel hair for someone that's going on vacation. It's a low maintenance look, so you don't have to worry about it losing its shape, I don't think. I feel like this hair will maintain its curl, but like I said, the frizz will appear. So I love to create versatility with my hair, so I can flip it to one side or the other side or leave it in the middle, you know, just to get different looks. So that's what I do when it comes to my crochet. I have to cut the little straggly ends off because I have a few of those. But yeah, I like this hair. I'm not gonna say I love it. I like this hair. Very soft. I'm loving the softness of the hair, I must say. This hair came in 14 inches, which is a perfect length. I did cut it a little bit, so I feel like it's at about 10 or 12. I'll probably keep this in for about a week, not too long. I definitely want to try another kind of hair out. So I love this brand, X-Pression. They have very, very great hair, but just not in this style. So, you know, you find a brand that you like, but you might not like every single hair or every single style that they have. So that's just where I stand with this hair. For me, I like a natural looking hair. I like hair that resembles my hair. So like a thicker kind of textured hair. Definitely more synthetic looking than what I usually go for. This hair I think was about, I think it was like $3.99. So it was pretty affordable. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a deep wave, I recommend this hair. You guys might like it a little bit more than I do. So I will have it linked down below in the description. You guys can check it out. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.